Artlist.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking on another video. Today's video is going to be a quick nighttime routine. In this scene, I am putting my daughter to bed. We played a little bit, then I stayed with her until she fell asleep, and then I did a quick nighttime reset for the next day. There's nothing like waking up to a clean kitchen, clean room, clean house, clean anything. So in the last couple of days, I've been meaningful about what I've been doing, just trying to make sure that I build a routine that I can stick with and that I can be proud of. So thank you again so much for clicking on today's video, and I do hope you enjoy.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
This video, it is a little bit of a different style than I usually put out. I try to keep some of the background noises, seeing as this is a nighttime routine and it's a little cozy. You know, sometimes you just don't want to hear any sounds while you're working, and then there's another time when the music is blaring. So I try to keep everything meek and quiet. I cannot tell you how much it worked. It did wonders for my peace of mind, just unwinding to go to bed. I don't know, I think I want to do more content like this, but with my background at home, my regular background, meaning my daughter and whatever else she may be playing with, and sometimes she has a play date. Yeah, it gets a little hard to do videos that does.
Baby, you You're chilling with the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.